everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. In previous session we discussed about binary arithmetic operations like binary addition and binary subtraction. But subtraction using conventional method is quite difficult to implement, so we can use complements to perform subtraction. In a previous session we discussed about how we can calculate complements. So here let's start with the subtraction using complements. Subtraction using R's complement. The subtraction of A minus B using R's complement can be done as follows. Make a number of digits same in both the number A and B. Make number of digits same in both the number A and B. Step number 2. Calculate R's complement of B. Step number 2 is calculate R's complement of B. Then add this R's complement of B in A. So perform addition of A and R's complement of B. After addition, we have a resultant bit. So observe this resultant bit. If A greater than or equal to B, then addition will produce an AND carry which can be discarded and remaining bits are our answer bit. If A greater than or equal to B, then addition will produce an AND carry. This AND carry can be discarded and remaining bit is the answer of A minus B. If A less than B, then addition does not produce an AND carry. To obtain the correct answer, take the R's complement of addition result and place a negative sign in front. Whenever A less than B, subtraction of A minus B produce negative answer. So to obtain the answer, take R's complement of the sum and place a negative sign in front. Let's take an example. Subtraction using tens complement. Using tens complement, subtract 72532 minus 3250. So step number 1, make number of digits same in both the number. Here 3250 is a 4-digit number. So we have to make this number 5-digit number. So just add 0. By making number of digits same, we can easily calculate tens complement of this number. So step number 2, calculate tens complement of 03250. Here we calculate tens complement of 03250, not for 3250 only. So this is why this step number 1 is important, to make number of digits same and then calculate tens complement of given number. So tens complement of 03250 can be calculated by calculating nines complemented of 3250 and then add 1. Nines complement of 03250 can be calculated by subtracting numbers from 9. So here we have an answer. Nines complement of 03250 is 96749. Now for tens complement, add 1. So we have a 96750. After calculating this complement, perform addition. So add 72532 plus 96750. Perform decimal addition, and here we perform addition of a 5 digits and we got the result in a 6-digit format. So here 1 is a AND carry. So this AND carry can be discarded and we have a remaining bit as our answer 6928. So this is how we can perform subtraction using tens complement. Let's take another example. Subtraction using tens complement. Perform this subtraction 20 minus 1000. So make the number of digits same in both the number. Step number 2, calculate tens complement of 1000. So which is 9000. Then perform addition. So 20 plus 9000, we have a answer 9020. So we have a no end carry. So for a correct answer, place negative sign and take tens complement of this 9020. So for tens complement, we calculate nines complement, then add 1. So we have a correct answer minus 980. So this is how we can calculate subtractions for number which does not produce an end carry, or says we can perform subtraction for a number when conditions a less than b occur. Now let's take another example for 2's complement. So subtraction using 2's complements. Using 2's complement, subtract 1 0 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0. So first make number of digits same in both the number. Then calculate 2's complement of 1 0 0 0 1 0. 2's complement can be calculated by 1's complement and just add 1. And 1's complement can be calculated by replacing 0 and 1. So here we have an answer for a 2's complement. Then perform addition. So here is the binary addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0 sum, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 0 sum, 1 carry, then 1 plus 1, 1 as a sum and 1 as a carry. And next 1 plus 1, 1 0, 0 as a sum, 1 as a carry, then 1 plus 1, 1 0. So here we have a AND carry. This carry can be discarded and remaining bits are our answer bit. So this is how we can perform subtraction using 2's complement. Next, subtraction using 2's complement for a condition when we have a first number less than of a second number. So using 2's complement, subtract 1 0 0 minus 1 1 4 times 0. So make a number of digits same in both the number. Then calculate 2's complement of 1 1 0 0 0 0. This 2's complement can be calculated by 1's complement, and 1's complement can be calculated by replacing 0 and 1. So this is how we can calculate 2's complement. After 2's complement, perform addition. So here is binary addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. So here no end carry occur. So our answer is place negative sign and take 2's complement of this result of addition. So here minus 2's complement of 0 1 0 1 0 0. This 2's complement can be calculated by calculating 1's complement and then add 1. So here is our answer bit. So this is how we can perform subtraction using complements. Next, subtraction using r minus 1's complement. The subtraction of a minus b using r minus 1's complement can be done as follow. Make number of digits same in a and b. Then step number 2, calculate r minus 1's complement of b. Here we calculate r minus 1's complement of b. Then perform addition. A and R minus 1's complement of B. After addition, we have a resultant bit. So just observe resultant bit. And if A greater than or equal to B, then addition will produce an end carry which can be removed from that and added to remaining bit for a correct answer of A minus B. This is known as a carry around. Here, if and carry occur, then it will be added to remaining bit for a correct answer. So this is known as a and carry around or simply carry around. If A less than B, then addition does not produce an and carry, and to obtain the answer, take the R minus 1's complement of the sum and place negative sign in front. So whenever A less than B, we have a negative result. So for a negative result, take here R minus 1's complement. Let's take example subtraction using 9's complement. Using 9's complement, perform this subtraction. So first, make number of digits same in both the number. Then calculate 9's complement of 2100. So here we have a 9's complement of this 2100 is 7899. Now after calculating 9's complement, perform addition. So here is decimal addition and we have a end carry. This end carry is removed from there and added to remaining bit. So we have a correct answer 1470. So this is how we can perform 9's complement subtraction. Next, using 9's complement, subtract 753 minus 864. This is the example when we have a less than B condition occur. So make a number of digits same in both the number. So here is this. Then calculate 9's complement of 864, which is 135. Then perform addition. So here is our answer 888. That means no end carry. So here calculate 9's complement of 888, which is 111, and as no end carry, so place negative sign. So this is how we can perform subtraction for condition A less than B. Now let's take another example for 1's complement subtraction. So using 1's complement, subtract 1110 minus 1101. So first make number of digits same. Here 1101 is a 4-digit number. So here we add 0. Then calculate 1's complement. So here is the 1's complement. Then perform addition. So here is a binary addition. And this binary addition produced end carry. So this is end carry. Now this end carry will be removed from there and added to remaining bit for a correct answer. So we have our correct answer like this. So this is how we can perform subtraction for 1's complement method. Then next, let's take another example of a 1's complement subtraction. Using 1's complement, subtract 10010 minus 10011. So make number of digits same in both the number. Then calculate 1's complement of 10011. So here just we replace 0 and 1. Then perform addition. So here is the binary addition. This binary addition has no end carry. So for correct answer, place negative sign and calculate 1's complement of this resultant bit. So we have a correct answer as here A less than B condition occurred. So we have a negative answer. So this is how we can perform subtraction using ones complement method for A less than B conditions. So this is how we can perform binary arithmetic operations for specifically binary subtraction using complements method. Thank you.